Don't be shy, partner. No such thing as a stranger here.
Hello, mister.
Yeah, you look like you need to take a load off.
Well, ain't this a rare treat? Why didn't you tell me we had guests coming? I'd have fixed myself up nice.
Oh, now you know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. And we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Well, look who it is. You are hungry, ain't you? It's all right. Looking ain't a crime. You go on and have a seat at the table. I'll be down in a minute.
You should be...
Hey, slow it down there. Plenty of time for that.
Oh, you don't know what you want.
And there was me thinking you was the bashful type. He always likes watching me get ready, too.
She'll, be down in just a minute.
Woohoo! That is what I like to hear. Hey, now pull up a chair, partner. Hey!
Hey!
Ain't this just about perfect? One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for long.
Then look at us, like a couple of old friends. It's a short life, but a merry one.
Here we are, all the fixins'. I hope you boys left some room in your trousers.
That smells delicious. The food don't smell too bad neither.
Oh, stop it!
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more. Come on, honey.
I appreciate the hospitality, folks, but I best be on my way.
No, already? I thought we was gonna have some fun together. Oh.
Whoa, easy, partner. No harm done. Oops, said Daisy. You're keen.
Look out, mister.
Easy. Down, boy.
Look out, miss.
I knew you wouldn't be able to stay away. Here, open up. Let me know if it needs more cream. Guess you came here hungry for something else. Come on, try one bite. It was my mother's recipe. All right, make sure you get it all in. You're a fussy one, aren't you? Oh well, your loss. I told him you'd be back before long.
Ma,
Hey there.
it was the only way we'd all have peace. Look who's here. Right to pass down. Starts to heal. That's what they say. Oh, we kept telling you. Leave us alone. Wish we could have given you a proper burial. But things ain't never perfect. But you love them pigs. And that day, they ate well.
You ain't exactly subtle with your courtship, are you? You're
Sorry,
a feisty
miss.
one.
Are you still here?
I knew you wouldn't be able to stay away. Here, open up. Let me know if it needs more cream. Guess you came here hungry for something else. Come on, try one bite. It was my mother's recipe. All right, make sure you get it all in. You're a fussy one, aren't you? Oh, well, your loss.
Ma,
I'm surprised you know how to write.
it was the only way we'd all have peace. Look who's here.
I couldn't pass on a free ticket to the freak show.
Takes one to know one. Chore after chore. Interminable squealing. That look, Ma. Judging us. Chop, chop. Bye. Tears of red. An act of love. Together